So we're gonna make some beans and cheese. Beans and cheese without fried potatoes. You're gonna add your oil to your frying pan for your fried potatoes and let that get hot. I've set mine to medium. Your biscuits, you're gonna set your oven to about 350 is what I do my biscuits on. I don't normally go by the label because I prefer to put my biscuits in last. Align your tray with your biscuits. So you're going to put all your potatoes into your pan and get those going. Make sure you fully coat all of the potatoes in the oil so they all cook evenly. I did not cut all mine the same size. It also helps to do that so they cook more evenly as well. And pepper to taste. And now we're going to start our roux, and if you don't know what a roux is, it is basically flour and oil and cooked until it's a nice thick paste. Sausage doesn't give off a whole lot of oil depending on the kind you use, so I do use a little bit of vegetable oil in and let that marinate with my sausage for a moment. Next we're going to add our flour. Now you want to do this gradually because you don't want to do too much flour. Your roux needs to be kind of thick, like a creamy consistency before you add your milk. A little bit more flour. Add a good stir. Alright, there we go. After that's cooked down a moment, I'm going to add your milk. Add our milk. This is going to be a lot of milk. Now you're going to want to play around a little bit with the consistency of milk. You can add more milk later if it's too thick. A little hit. I don't edit my videos really. I kind of just go with the flow. So if anybody's watching and is kind of curious on why they kind of suck, it's because I use my phone. You're not really going to want to stop stirring this either until it's completely done, so that way it prevents clotting of the milk while it's cooking. At this time of cooking, you can turn it from medium to a little bit in between high and medium, so that way it cooks a little faster. Like I said, just make sure that you are stirring through the whole process and never stop. Take your fried potatoes out of the frying pan and salt them just lightly because not everybody likes sodium. Alright, so here's how my biscuits and gravy turned out. Please like and subscribe for more food videos. Thank you.